Apple just got hit with a massive $162 million fine today and it's blowing up online. Why? Antitrust violations tied to their App Store monopoly. Developers are cheering, users are buzzing, and some say this could change your iPhone forever. Stick around to find out what's really going on. Hey Tech Fam, welcome back. Today we're diving into the juiciest Apple drama of 2025. So what happened? The US courts just dropped the hammer on Apple with a $162 million fine for shady App Store practices. Think 30% app fees, locked-in payment systems, and rules that basically choke out competition. US developers have been screaming about this for years, and now they're calling it a long overdue reckoning for the trillion-dollar giant. But here's the kicker, this isn't just about money. This could shake everything up. App prices, availability, maybe even how your iPhone works. Imagine cheaper apps, more options, or, wild thought, side-loading apps like Android users. Crazy, right? Mobile users on X are already losing it, and posts like, "Finally, Apple's greed gets checked," and $162 million, that's pocket change for them. Fair point. Apple's worth over $3 trillion. This fine's a slap on the wrist, but the ripple effects, huge. What's next? Experts say this could force Apple to rethink its App Store rules. Developers might get more freedom, and you might see better deals on apps. But don't hold your breath. Apple's already fighting back, saying they're all about security and innovation. Classic move. This story's just heating up, and trust me, it's gonna get messy. Alright, let's recap. Apple's down $162 million, devs are hyped, and your iPhone life might get a glow up. But will this really change the game, or is it just noise? I want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments.